Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So let's solve KISA paper today. So KISA paper that I had taken the preparatory examination of 2025. So in this paper I going to solve the section A. So let's discuss the question and some answer related to it. The first question, name the feature of Java that displays in the given picture. So they have given taking notes, so that is one thing they have given. So after that they have given the person who is writing on the tab and writing on the notes, writing on the laptop. So many options they have given. So options they have given is, one is the data abstraction means the means hiding up of data, so they are not hiding up of data here. So next, inheritance, the copying the properties from parents to their child, so that is not the case. Encapsulation means binding up of variable information and method information on a single unit, that is not they are doing. So they are doing polymorphism, so the correct answer is the polymorphism. So the correct answer means correct answer you need to opt is, so this is polymorphism. Next, so uh, what enables Java to do the right ones and run anywhere? So this is one of the good feature of Java. So Java is known for its write once and run anywhere capabilities due to the JVM. JVM allows bytecode which generated by the Java compiler. So it is a complete responsibility of the JVM to take over it. Next, the protected access specifier allows what? So only within the class, only within the same class, within the same package, and by the subclasses are from anywhere, or only by the subclass in the same package. Okay, for this question I have prepared some charts, please check here. So this is one of the package, the package name is ABC, and I have created one class called parent, and inside that parent class I have created one a method, that is protected method. Okay, I have closed this class, please check here. Next, in the same package I have created uh, um, one class called same package class, so the class name is that I have given. Next, so I created one more method inside the class. Here I created the parent object of the first class, that is parent is equal to new parent, the object I created. Then I called the show method because it's in the same package, accessing the protected method. See here, I have made the comment line also. Next, so I will create one more package. So there is no connection between the package 1 and the package 2. The package first is ABC and the package second is XYZ. So how to take, there are two protocols we need to pass while taking the protected members to other class. One, I need to take the import. So import, first import package name, then dot class name. The second one is I need to do extends of the parent class. Now this is my child class because I extended with my parent class, and I am accessing the show method. The show method is from different package, but I am accessing it. So with the help of one, that is importing package name dot class name, that is allowed, then extended with the parent class, now it's become the child class. So this is possible. The protected access specifier allows access within the same package and by the sub package also. So let's go to the question. You need to opt the answer as this one, B. Okay, I'll go to the next question. So which of the following has the highest precedence? Yes, so highest precedence is taking by the pre-increment, not post increment. So this is the answer for it. Okay, which of the following is the correct listed size of the primitive data type? So primitive data types are the data types which can be which is created by the Java, the person who developed Java, he created that. So here the correct value is the byte holds 1 byte, yes, that is correct. Short, yes, 2 bytes. Then hint, yes, 4 bytes. Long, 8 byte. Okay, that looks correct for me. Next, so byte 2 bytes. Okay, this is wrong. The byte won't hold 1 byte, and so option B is not correct. So byte 1 byte. Short, no, short holds 2 bytes. That is wrong. Okay, C is also correct, wrong. The third one, the byte 4 byte, so completely B, C, D are totally wrong, so I need to opt as this one. Okay, the output of the following statement, system.out.println mat.power mat.max mat.floor, so they have given. So first evaluate in a simple form. So first I will write math dot floor of 5.7. Okay, what's the value of 5.7? Floor means I need to go down, so that is 5.0 I got. Next, mat dot max, max of what? Math dot max of what? So mat dot max of 5.0 comma 4. So here the max value is what? So max value is 5.0. Next, so next they have given math dot power of 5.0 comma 2. So 5 to the power of 2, that is 25.0. So this is my final output. So we are going to store in one of the variable, for example double x is equal to, and make sure you need to write in capital letter because math is a class. For that reason you need to write always math expressions in capital letter. Let's go to the next one. So which of the following is used to trim method in Java? So trim, what do you mean by trim? So trim most of the time we're going to use with strings. The string is also a class. So for example, if I take example as string a is equal to, if I give some space, think there is a space here, next abc, next space xyz, then here some of the space, and here my double quotes, and here end of the line. So here the concept of the trim is it will remove the starting and ending spaces, and it won't touch the middle spaces. So it will remove. So let's check the option, remove all spaces in the string. No, that is wrong. Remove the spaces at the beginning and the ending of the string. Yes, correct. So let's check the other options too. Replace space with underscore. No. Remove a specific character. No. These are all not correct. So answer B is correct. Okay, let's go to the next question. What happens if the two cases values with identical in the switch case? For example, in the switch case, I will take case 1 is same, and if I create again as case 2, so sorry, here I need to create 1. So as per the question, so case 1 and case 1, so both are what? Similar. So in this time I will get what? The compilation error. Compilation error. The two cases should not be identically same. That is wrong. So both the cases will be executed. No, only the first cases will be executed. I will get compilation error. Correct. No. Next, a constructor. So this is assertion and reasoning type question. Constructor are used to initialize object when they are created in Java. Yes, correct. That is correct. Okay, reasoning. A constructor initializes the instance variable of an object when it is created. Okay, so for this question I have created some code. Let me explain that code. So I will go to that code. So here is the code. The constructor, for example, I have taken the class name as dog. So this is my class name. So next I have constructed one variable, one variable with name string name and integer. These two are instance variable. We call one more name, that is the global variable, because we can able to access throughout the program. So next, so I have constructed the constructor. The constructor name should be same as what? Class name. Then the string name and integer, these are the parameter variable for that constructor. Now it's a parameterized constructor. Okay, so this dot name is the what? Instance variable that I'm assigning the parameter variable to it. Okay, so to avoid the ambiguity here, so for that reason I'm using a keyword called this. Okay, so I am closing this class. Dog class is here. Next I created one more class, the class main method. In that I have created the class name is also main, and the main method that starts here. So I will create the object dog1 is equal to new dog. So it demands two parameter because it's a parameterized constructor. Now I'm passing buddy comma 3. So if I try to print dog1 dot name and dog1 dot age, so it will give me what? So the name will go to the string name. So 3 will go to the int age. So that will got printed. So the constructor are used to initialize the objects when they are created. Yes, dog1 is the object that I created and I initialized with my constructor. Next, so constructor initializes the instance variables of an object when it's created. Yes, see here. So this is the parameter variable that I'm passing to my instance variable. Correct, no? So the answer what I need to opt here. So both the so the answer I need to opt both assertion and reasoning are true. The reasoning is correctly explained. So this option I need to pick. So answer A. Next, which of the following happens when automatically in Java during auto boxing? Oh, okay. So you need to look into it. For example, what do you mean by auto boxing? So when I will create here, I will create one thing. Please observe. Int A is equal to 5. This is my int is a primitive data type, a is a variable, equals is an assignment operator, and 5 is the what integer literal, and semicolon I am using for termination process. So how to create the object relevant means equivalent object object class for integer? The equivalent of integer class is, so that is integer. I should be capital. Now this is the wrapper class for the my equivalent integer type. Next I will create one of the object. So if I create the it is not a variable. So if I create a as a variable, so it's not a variable, it's an object. If I create next to my instance variable, and if I pass my a here, now a got merged to my b. So now it's in the object territory. So this is called what? Auto boxing. Correct, no? So a primitive data type automatically converts to the corresponding wrapper class. So this is correct. Next, which code snippet will execute correctly to calculate the sum of all the elements in the two-dimensional array? So here they are talking about 2D array. Let's discuss that. So let's check the option. So 2D array means I need, so I will explain this here. So I need rows and I need columns. So one row for one for loop for rows and one for loop for column. I have created two rows. So I need here in this option here there is no two for loop. So I will eliminate this. This is wrong. Next, so answer C, this is also having one for loop, that is also wrong. So only B and B and D left out. Okay, let's discuss this. So int sum, they have constructed one variable and they initialize the value has 0. Then for loop, so for loop I is equal to 0, I less than array of length. Yes, I need to traverse up to the length of the array, that is correct. Then I increment, so the bracket open. For loop, this is for column they have taken, j is equal to 0, j less than array of index. Yes, this is correct, array index dot length. Yes, they are traversing in a correct way. Then j increment, bracket also is open, sum they are putting into the sum variable of the rows and columns. Okay, so this is correct. Okay, let's check the D answer also. Int sum is equal to 0 is equal to 0. So array of index, this is not array of index, so this is potential issue will rise up here. A of I is not a number, it's an array, so I need not to use this. So the correct approach is used to get the sum of 2D arrays is in the inner for loop, j is equal to 0, j less than array of index dot length. I need to traverse up to the array of the rows, means up to the extent of array of rows dot length. So I need to traverse that much. So this is the correct answer. Next, assertion. In Java, int and integer are same. No, Java is a case sensitive language, so we can't able to say like that. So one more thing we can say, the integer is a wrapper class of the primitive data type called int. That is correct. Okay, let's see the reasoning also. The int is a primitive data type. Yes, correct. While integer is a wrapper class that encapsulates the int type and object. Yes, that is correct. Both assertion and reasoning are true. The reasoning is correctly explained. So the correct answer is yes, they are correctly explained. Assertion and reasoning are totally true. Next, evaluate this expression. So to evaluate this expression, first reform this expression. How to reform this expression? So I will write in different. So z is equal to z plus, so I will put some bracket here, so plus plus x, then mod 10, then plus y plus plus star 10 plus plus z, then 10. So this is the expression. I remodified it. Next, so what's the value of z? So int x value is what? 7. So I will write it here. So what's the value of z? 10 plus, so this is pre-increment. No, so what's the value of x? X value becomes now 8. So then 10 plus y plus plus, so y I need to take 3 because that is a post increment, so 3 only, now it's become 4. Then star 10 plus plus z means, so I need to increment 1, then I need to use, so here 10, then I need to use plus 11, so plus 11 divided by 10, correct? No, so I will evaluate this expression. So here 10 should be same, 10 divided by 8, so that is not possible, so it will return what? 8 only, it will return back 8 only, plus 3 into 10 into 10 plus, because this operator will take more weightage, plus 11 divided by 10. This is mod operation, this is divide operation, so here the answer I will get is 1, correct? No, then so evaluate this expression, so the more weightage will go to this operator now, so is equal to 10 plus 8 plus 3 into 10, 30 plus 1, so here, so 39 plus 10 is equal to 49 will be my answer. So here the correct answer I will need to opt is 49. Okay, clear? So more weightage will go to my the mod operator, then the divide operator, then in the second so in the next step, so this will go to the multiplication operator. So you need to check accordingly, and then you need to use. Please go through the highest precedence values on the, you need to get to know the more weightage related to the operators, so that is correct. Next, so consider the following program segment which has the following statement as jumbled. Means choose the correct order of statement, find the sum of the odd factors of a number. Okay, this is one of the method int sum. So int n, this is the parameter variable they are passing in the method. Next, sum they are incrementing. Okay, so one more thing you need to observe, I not yet constructed but they are assigning to I. So I got to know one hint here. First I need to come, first initialization should happen, declaration and initialization might be there, so then assigning the values to one of the variable. So they have not yet done this. Okay, so some they are using in a third position, but because if you are not constructing the variable, we can't able to use it. So before sum plus plus, the sum should be declared and initialized. That is correct, no? So let's see next. I will scroll down. So here they are some doing some, they are checking is it a, the number is at the end result is 0, they are checking like that. So what is the correct answer, what is the correct approach I need to follow while using this? So first correct approach is, so which one is the correct answer as per us? So let's check. So first one, they need to initialize the sum value. This is my first. Then second one, what is the second one? Second one, I loop should become correct, no? This is my second. So this is my second. So this is my second. Next, what they are doing? So they are doing something inside. So first, I will take. I will check this one. So this will be my third option. So this is my third option. Then this will be my, so passing the information to my variable, so that is my fourth, and printing will be always be fifth one. So here the printing will be my fifth one only. So which is the correct answer for me? So the correct answer is, so first the third will become my first one, and second one will become my second one only, and the fourth one will become my third one. Then the first one will become my first one, and the fifth position. So let's check the answer, which one is correct according to us. So the correct answer that I need to opt is third one. Okay, third one, second one, yes, then fourth one, yes, so then first one. So this is my correct answer. Then so the output of the given statement, so they have given one of the string, the string they have given is fantastic. So let me write here F A N T A T I C. So I will give the index for this 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So the length of the string is what? 9. Okay, the substring they are asking. So the substring, so str dot length, the what's the length? The length, this is 9, correct, no? 9 mod of 4. So 4 on the 4 2s are 8. I got reminder as 1. So I need to take the reminder in mod operations. So that is 1 comma 5. So what is where the 1 starts? So here the 1 start. Then where the end? So 5. Sorry, 1 second. So I need to 3 4 5 should come here. 5. This is 5. Okay. So before the 5 I need to stop. So before the 5. So this is, I need to stop here. So what's the output? A N T A. Where is my answer? So A N T. This is the correct answer. Okay. The keyword is used to define a constant of the value in Java. Okay. So the keyword that is final. Yes, we know that the final. Example. For example, I will construct variable int a is equal to 10. So this is the primitive variable. If I use the keyword called final in front of my data type, now this is the final variable, so I can't able to alter the values. So in the next operations, like a is equal to 25, so I can't able to apply this operation. So if I try to apply, I will get what? Error. So error in the sense, cannot assign a variable to final variable, so I will get error. So that is not possible. Next, so which of the following is not allowed in Java? So overloading a method, yes, we are doing. Overloading constructor, yes, these two are the polymorphism concept, yes, we are doing that. Defining a multiple constructors in class, yes, we can construct multiple constructor. Define a constructor with return type, no, this is not allowed. The constructor don't have return type. the constructor will have access specified in front of it, so that is also an optional. So constructor with return type, that is not allowed. So we are applying this concept in user defines method, not in constructors. The constructor don't have return type. The constructor will the constructor name is same as the class name. So these are the concept of constructor. Okay, next, the keyword used to access the members of another package. Okay, so we use one of the keyword to bring the what libraries or packages to the source code, that is import. So import is a keyword. Next, a method which the method parameter can get modified is called what? Okay, for this question I have prepared some snippet, please observe here. Okay, so this is a method in which the method parameter can get modified is called as impure method. So example, so I constructed one of the class name is example. So I created one of the static method, the static method name is modified, and the argument I am passing an array. So in that array 0th index I am passing the value as 100. So in a of 0, the index of 0, the value 100 is there. Okay, so in the same method I will construct the main method, and I constructed one of the 1D array of the name of the array is n. So in that I have loaded 1 2 3 4. Okay, I can load n number of values in this array. Okay, next, system.out.print before calling, the before calling a of 0, a of 0, it will point to this array. So a of 0 contain what? A of 0 contain what? A of 0 contain 100, not 1. So that is wrong. A of 0 contain 100. Okay, next I will call the method. So once you call the method, what happens? So it will go to modify. So modify method. In the modify method, so the system dot off. N, I'm passing n has an argument to it. Now, so system.out.print, what I will get? I will get what? So here 100 will be printed, but here that is 1 only, not 100. So please cross check that. Next, so which is the output of the following code? Okay, so they have given 1D array. Next, b, they have constructed one variable called b. Then here what they have constructed, so first evaluate this expression, else we can't able to do that. So n of b, what is n of b? So 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, n of b is what? The b value is what? 3. 2 divided by 2, correct? No, so 2 divided by 2, you will get what? You will get 0 0. But you need to take, in the divide operation I need to take the quotient, not reminders. So 1, so I got the 1, and the n of 1 is equal to what? So 1 value is what? 4. Clear? So this is the answer for you. Next, so I will go to the question 2. Evaluate the given expression. Okay, I need to evaluate this first. So already I have explained you how to evaluate the expression. So first rewrite the expressions. R is equal to plus, R plus, we need to write in a way that, next, P plus 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 minus minus Q plus minus minus, this is minus P divided by plus plus R. So what's the value of R value is what? 3 plus P, this is post increment, P value is what? 12. It will become 13 later. So I need to take 12 plus minus minus Q. So I need to decrease this. Now it will become 11 plus minus minus P. So I decrease to, so I have increased, but now I need to decrease, so it will become 12 again. 12 divided by plus plus R, so become 4. Next, in the next iteration, so I will do what? 3 plus So which is a more weightage? Here this operator has some more weightage now. So 12 plus 11 plus 12 divided by 4, so that is 4 3 is a 12, so 3 I need to take here. Here I need to evaluate 3 plus all our addition operation, so 12 plus 11 plus 3, that is 24. So 24 plus 3, 27 is the final answer. Next, how to write the math expression? So math expression I need to write. So how to write the math expression? So math expression I will write it here. So this is cube root. So math dot cbrt of bracket. So here power. So math dot power of a plus b comma 4. So I will close the math here, divided by it is also power 1, math dot power of a comma 2. I will close the main. Okay, this is the correct approach. Next, go to the question number 3. A student when execute the following code, he get 0 and 1, where he decide to get the output as 149. Then identify the statement which has incorrect error. Correct the statement to get the desired output. Okay, so void main they have constructed, int sum is equal to 0. Okay, I is equal to 1. They are traversing up to 5, and they are to divide, means they are checking the remainder of that is 0 or what. Then they applied break statement, printing. Okay, let's trace this program. To trace this program, so if you encounter this kind of snippets, better you need to use a tabular column, then you can easily solve this. So I will prepare the tabular column bit. So first serial number, I will take what I need a sum, then I need the I value, then I'll check the condition here itself 5, then I mod 2 they are doing equal to 0, then they are printing sum inside, print sum, then they are printing sum outside also, please check. So this is the printing statement, last printing statement, that 1 2. I will put the tabular column. So once you encounter this kind of snippets, please write the tabular column, so that will help you out not to get difficulties. So serial number is 1. What's the sum value? Sum value is also sum value is 0. I value is what? I value is 1. Next, I less than 5. So the condition is what? True here. So I mod 2. I mod 2 means, so what's the value of I? 1 mod 2. So it will return because the one I'm using, that is smaller one, so I can't able to do the mod operation. It will return the same value. So double equals to 0. That is not true at all. That is false I will encounter here. So it will print the sum as what? 0 only, and sum got incremented to 1 here. Next, I'll go to serial number 2. In the serial number 2, what's the sum value? Because I need to take the sum value from here to here. The sum value is what? 2 only. So then, sorry, here 1. Sum value I need to carry from here to here. That is 1 only, not 2. Okay. Next, what's the I value? I value got incremented now, because correct now. So now I value is 2. So I value, this is I know, 2 less than 5, condition is what? True here. Then so 2 mod 2, yes, the end result definitely 0. The condition is true here. So once I encounter true, so what happens? It will apply break. So it will apply what? Break only. So what output I am getting here? So once I encounter the break, so I am printing 0 and 1. So yes, they are correct. But what I need to alter? So if I get the break here, I can't able to go further. So instead of, let me try the continue statement. The continue is also in jumping statement. So continue, if I try to use the continue, okay, let me check. So here continue means what? So it will continue further, means the current iteration will be jumped. So here continue, here also continue. Next I will go to third step. The third step, so what's the value of sum is 1. Then what's the value of I got incremented to 3. Then I less than 5, yes, condition is true here. Then I mod 2, that is the 1 double equals to 0, that is false again. So it will print the sum has 1 and it got incremented with I. Now it's become 4 again. So the fourth serial number. So sum is what? Sum is 4. I value is also incremented to 4 now. Next, 4 less than 5, condition is true again. The 4 mod 2, the I will get the remainder as definitely 0. This is true. So once it is true, the continue will get applied. So continue means the current iteration will skip, so I need to increment it. So next, fifth iteration. So in the fifth iteration, sum is initial value only 4. I value got incremented to 5. Then the condition, yes, 5 equals to 5. 5 not 5 less than 5, that will fail. 5 equals to 5, that is true. Then 1 double equals to 0, because the mod will get the remainder as 1. So here the condition is what? False. Then the print, it will print what? The value of sum is initially 4. Then 4 plus I, so that is 4 plus I, that is 5, sorry, 9 I will get here. 4 plus 5, that is 9. So then I will go to the next iteration, 6. So sum value is what? 9. Then I value will increment it to 6. So 6 less than 5, false. 6 equals to 5, that is totally false. So here it will end. So what output I have got? So I will check the output. So the output I got is, so the output, the end result that I formed, what are the end result I have formed here? So they are asking for the values. The values I will get it is what? 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9 and 6 at the end, because this printing statement will also bring something, correct? No, for that reason I need to print that. Sorry, 6 won't come here, so only 0, 1, 4, 9, only that much. Clear? Next, I'll go to the next question. So write the following output. Write the output of the following string method. Okay, the output I need to take. So they have given administration. So I will write the administration here. Administration. Okay. Next, department. Okay, so I will assign the indexing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, the indexing start from 0. Okay, so this is my 0, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The count will be 10, indexing will be 9. Okay, so they are asking for what? Q, which is the Q value, the Q first one. So the substring of 2 comma 6. So here the substring, how to find substring? 2 starting from so administration M, so starting from 2 and ending with 6. So before that only I need to start. So I got output as what? Mi ni here. Next, so n dot substring of 3, so 0 1 2 3, 0 1 2 3. So I need to start from here, then I need to end up with 6. So which is my 6? 3 4 5 6. So here I need to end up. So I got here ART. Okay, so what's the system.out.print will do? So they are doing some concatenation operation here. Please check here. So the output will be mini art. So this is the output it will generate. Next, so q dot compare to p. So they have given again one more string, Microsoft, and then micro. So here I will give the index 0 1 2 3 4 6 7 8. So here 0 1 2 4. Okay, so q dot compare to p. Okay, so m will get cancelled, I everything will get cancelled here. So c r o. So the q is now the length. I need to go for length. So the length is definitely 0 from side of q. And then so here 1 2 3 4 left out from p. So 0 minus 4. I'll get what? Minus 4 is the answer for this, because q is comparing to p. So for that reason, so if it is a reverse of it, for example, p is comparing to q, in that case I will get plus 4, means 4 only, positive side 4. So now it's a negative side 4. Okay, how many times the loop will execute, and write the output of the code. Okay, one more for loop they are given. So let's evaluate this. So what you need to do, first you need to write with the tabular column serial number, then I need what, a value they have given, then b value also they have given. Okay, let it be there. Okay, a less than or equals to 20, I'll take that. Then what else? Okay, a plus b they are doing. So printing statement, let it be there. We'll take a plus is equal to 5, then b plus plus. I will get the output anyway here now. So serial number a less than 5, a plus is equal to 5, and b plus plus. So let's start this. Okay, serial number 1. What's the value of a? That is 0. Then so 0 less than 20, the condition is what? True here. Then the condition is true, it will enter to the body. So here I need one more column, that is what, a plus b I am taking. What's the value of a? Value of a is 0. What's the value of b? The b is 1. So sum is 1 only. Then a is equal to a plus 5. The initially a value is 0, now it's become 5. Now b also incremented in for loop, please check here. So b value now becomes what? 2. Serial number 2. So a value of a is 5. Then 5 less than 20, this condition is true. Then so a plus b is 5 plus 2, that is 7. Next a again incremented with 5. So initially it was 5, now it's become 10. So next b value got incremented to 3. Next, third one. So what's the value of a? 10. 10 less than 20, condition is true again. So then a plus b, 10 plus 3, that is 13. Then it is again incremented to 15. Next b incremented to 4, iteration 4th. Next, so what's the value? 15 here. Next 15 less than 20, condition is true again. So a plus b, 15 plus 4, that is 19. Then a is equal to a plus 5, 20. Next the b value becomes what? 5 here. Next, so the fifth iteration, what happens here? It will become 20 20 less than 20 false, 20 equals to 20, on that condition that is true. So here a plus b, 20 plus 5, that is 25 I need to write here. Then it again incremented 5 with the 20, that is 25. So b incremented to 6 in the sixth iteration I am doing. So a value is what, 25. So t value a less than 20 means 25 less than 20 false, 25 equals to 20, no, false, the total condition will break out. So what output it generate? 1 7 13 19 25. And please check here, in the outer loop they are giving one value, correct? No, so the value is what, b value they are passing. What's the last b value? The b value is 6. So it will get print 1 7 13 19 25 and 6. This is the output. So this is the output for you. Then I will go to the next. So in the next step, in the next question they have given rewrite the following code using the ternary operator. Okay, they are talking about the ternary operator. So ternary operator means there are three operators will come in this picture. So eligibility is common here, that is string type they have given. Okay, so how to write this? So eligibility they are storing. So eligibility is a type of what, string type, that is equal to, then so what is the condition here? Age greater than or equals to 18 question mark. So if it is correct, the true means adult colon, I need to use colon. If it is false type, it will go to the minor. So I will close this. So question mark, colon and semicolon at the end. So this is we need to rewrite with ternary. The ternary operator is also called the conditional operator. They can ask as a conditional operator also. Please remember that. Next, a student is trying to convert the given string to the numerical value, but get an error in the following code. Name the error, syntax, logical, or runtime. Give the reason for the error. Okay, string they have taken, the string dot is there, a is there. Okay, the string will accept everything. Okay, next they are parsing to double, but a will not convert. Okay, there is the issue. Okay, they are passing the issue here. Okay, a will not get properly converted to what, double type, because double is a what, wrapper class. Parse double means conversion, parse means convert. So that is not happening here. So definitely it's a what, it's a runtime error. It's a runtime error. We can't able to convert a to the proper double type, so that is not possible. So a is a what, a is a character, is a non numerical value. It's a non-numerical value because it's a character type. So a cannot be converted to the proper. So a cannot be a cannot be converted to the proper double type. So that is the error. So here the runtime error I will encounter, the value of a, the a will not be converted to the proper numerical value. So a cannot be converted to the proper double type. So that is the answer you need to write for this. Next, I will go to the next question. So in the next question they have given 2D array. Okay, so in the 2D array, so I will rewrite this first. 1 2 3, please rewrite in array form. So then 7 8 9. Okay, this is my array. 0 0 1 2 1 2. These are my rows and these are my columns. Okay, next, so the position of 5, the position of 5 is what? So 1 of 1, so that is the position of a is equal to what, 1 of 1. 1 of 1 will be my 5. Next, so that is the position 1 of 1. Next, what is the result of the statement? So 0 of 0 means 0 of 0, that is 1 plus 1 of 2. So 1 of 2, that is what? So 1 of 2, that is 1 of 2, that is 6, plus 2 of 1, that is 2 of 1, 2 of 1, that is 8 here. The answer 6 plus 8 plus, then that is 15 I will get here. Got the answer, right? Okay, next. So predict the output of the following. So here they have taken D, the character at 2, so D I need to write here, DEER 0 1 2 3. So character at second means E will come, so CH contain what? CH is equal to E now. Next, so character to uppercase, so they are converting this E to small e to capital E plus 20. Okay, so then using the wrapper class reference, so they're storing in integer. What's the ASCII value of E? The ASCII value of E is what? ASCII value of E is 69, correct? No, so 69 plus 20, that is 89. So 89 will get stored in A. This is the value. So the asking the question is, what's the character at C? So you will get what? You will get 89. So E plus will get E here. This is wrong. E will get system.out.print, you will get 89. Clear? Next, consider the following program segment and answer the following question. Okay, here the class I have constructed as example. These are what? Instance variables. These two are A and B are the instance variables. Next, so static int xy, this is the class variables. So because there is a keyword called static, because this reason this is called class variables. These two are, this is variable. Next, so void perform method, in the perform method they are initializing the global variables, they are passing the values, and int z that they have constructed. So what they are doing, A value they are passing to z, B value passing to A. Okay, they are doing what here? So they have constructed the temporary variable. Please check here. So int A is equal to what? 10, and then B is equal to 2, the value they have given. So in the first step, what they are doing, they are passing z to my A. So they are passing value of A to Z. So now A is free. What value they got? Z is equal to what now? Z is equal to 10. Next, the second iteration, what they are doing? So A is equal to B. So they are passing B value is what? 2. So now B is free here. So the B got what? Sorry, A got 2 here. Next, third step. Third step, they are assigning B with Z. So Z initially was 10. So 10 got assigned to my B. Now Z is free here. So what happens? Initially A value is what? A value was 10, but here A value was 2. Now the B value initially it was 2, now it's 10. So it got swapped up. So let's check the question. So what will be the value of A and B? The A value is what? A value is 2 and B value is 10. Next, name the class variables. Yes, already I told, the in front of the variable there is a keyword called static. Now it will be class related. The class variables are X and Y. Those are all class variables. So I will end up here. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe. So and in the next video I going to post the section B of KISA papers. So I will solve so many papers that will help you for your ICSE examination, which is upcoming today. So all the best. Thank you so much.